Find the Cartesian equation of following curves. So x equal to minus 2 plus 3 cos theta, y equal to 3 plus 3 sin theta. Eliminated, theta eliminated here. Now cos theta equals x plus 2 by 3. Now sin theta is equal to y minus 3 by 3. We know that cos square plus sin square equals 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta equals 1. Theta eliminated. Here x plus 2 by 3 whole square plus y minus 3 by 3 whole square equals 1. X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals 3 square 9. 9 ones are 9. Here center minus 2 comma 3, radius is 3. Next one. Find the Cartesian equation of following curves. X equal to cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, y equal to sin theta minus cos theta plus 2. So theta eliminated. Now x minus 1 equals cos theta plus sin theta. Y minus 2 equals sin theta minus cos theta. Adding these two equations, we get cos or sin. Adding and subtract చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. Sin cos వస్తుంది కదా, సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. So let us say equation 1 and equation 2. Add these two equations. So cos cancelled, 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta equals x plus y minus 3. Now subtracting. So 1 minus 2. Second one subtract from first. So cos plus cos 2 cos theta equals subtracting 2 from 1, x minus y minus 1 plus 2 plus 1. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Sin square theta x plus y minus 3 by 2 whole square plus x minus y sin cos square theta x minus y plus 1 by 2 whole square equals to 1. This one is x plus y minus 3 whole square plus x minus y plus 1 whole square equals to 2 square 4. Then take away alternate method కూడా మనం చేయొచ్చు. So what is the alternate method here? So 1 square plus 2 square. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 square of equation 1 and square of equation 2 and add them. So square చేస్తే వస్తుంది a plus b whole square. Next this one is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square 1 plus 2ab. 2 sin theta cos theta. Next a square plus b square is 1 plus 2ab minus 2ab minus 2 sin theta cos theta equals. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. These two are cancelled. So better one x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals 1 plus 1 is 2. So center is 1 comma 2, radius is root 2. So then simplify చేసుకుని ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది మనకి. So x square plus y square time taking process అండి. సో మనము ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ a ప్లస్ b ప్లస్ c హోల్ స్క్వేర్ a ప్లస్ b ప్లస్ c హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మనం సింప్లిఫై చేయాలి. టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. బెటర్ వన్ ఈజ్ మెథడ్ 2. ఓకే, దీన్ని మనం ఓపెన్ చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఐ హోప్ దిస్ ఇస్ క్లియర్. Next, the third one is x equals 2t by 1 plus t square. Y is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Your parameter is t. T eliminate. Here t eliminate. Now x square plus y square equals 2t by 1 plus t square whole square plus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square whole square. Here LCM is 1 plus t square whole square. Numerator 2t whole square 4t square plus here numerator is 1 minus t whole square a minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2t square. So numerator is 4t square t power 4 plus 1 minus 2t square 4t square plus 2t square by 1 plus t square 1 plus t square whole square. So can we observe your numerator is perfect square. This one is a perfect square. Now t square plus 1 whole square. Denominator 1 plus t square whole square. This one same. So x square plus y square equal to 1. X square plus y square equal to 1. Center 0, 0, radius is 1. Next one, find the parametric equation of following. So three questions. Parametric equation x equals alpha plus r cos theta, y equals beta plus r sin theta. Alpha plus r cos theta, y equals beta plus r sin theta. First center. Here alpha comma beta be center. Here radius r. So center of this cycle is my center is minus g comma minus f. Here g equals to minus 4, f equal to minus 7. So 4 comma 7. Now radius is 3 r square. R square 9, r is 3. So x equals to alpha 4 plus 3 cos theta, y equals beta plus 7 plus r sin theta. So this is our parametric equation. Here center of this cycle, center is minus 9 comma 0, radius is 4. Now parametric equation x equals to alpha plus r cos theta, y equal to beta plus 0 plus r sin theta. So this one is 4 sin theta. So center of this cycle, center is minus z comma minus f. 2z equal to minus 6, z equal to minus 3. So minus z is 3. So 2z, 2f equal to 4, f equal to minus f is minus 2 center. Now radius, square root of g square plus, square root of g square plus f square minus c, g square 9, f square 4, minus of minus plus 12. So square root of 25, 5. So parametric equation x equal to alpha plus 3 plus r cos theta, y equals beta plus r sin theta by sin theta. I hope this is clear. Just one more question. Fourth one, x square plus y square minus 14x minus 18 equal to 0. Find the parametric equation. First center of the cycle, center is minus z comma minus f. 2z equal to minus 14, g equal to minus 7. So minus z is 7. So there is no f, there is no y, so 0. 7 comma 0 center. Now radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c, minus of minus plus 18. So square root of 7, 67. Radius is square root of 67. So parametric equation x equal to alpha plus 7 plus r cos theta, y equal to beta plus 0 plus square root of 67 sin theta. So this is the answer. Next one is the equation of chord passing from A and B. Standard equation: x square plus y square equal to r square. Point A, point B. So this one theta. So center is 0, comma 0. So r cos theta, next r sin theta 1, theta 1. Point B, r cos theta 2, next r sin theta 2. So equation of chord y minus y1 equal to slope into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is r sin theta 1 equals slope is y2 minus y1. So r sin theta 2 minus y1 is r sin theta 1 by x2 minus x1, r cos theta 2 minus r cos theta 1 into x minus x1. x1 is r cos theta 1. Now y minus r times of sin theta 1 equal to, bring outside r is the common thing, r times of sin theta 2 minus sin theta 1 by r times of cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1 into x minus r cos theta 1. R cancelled. Y minus r sin theta 1, sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, theta 2 plus theta 1 by 2, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2, theta 2 minus theta 1 by 2 by, here cos c minus cos d, 2 sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2, cos c minus cos d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin d minus c by 2, sin d minus, here d is theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2, sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So x minus r cos theta 1. Y minus r sin theta 1 equals to cancel out. Cos of theta 2 plus theta 1 by 2. Sin of theta 2 minus theta 1 by 2 by. So here sin of theta 2 plus theta 1 by 2. So sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So sin of theta 2 minus theta 1 by 2. These two are cancelled. So x minus r into cos theta 1. Now y into sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. So minus r into sin theta 1 into sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 equals. So this one is a minus x into cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2, minus of minus plus r into cos theta 1 into cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Okay, we should get r times one side. So here x cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y into sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 equals. So this time we'll take right hand side. So this one is bring outside r, cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. So plus sin theta 1 sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. So this one is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, cos of A minus B. So r times of cos of A minus B, theta 1 minus theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. So finally this will be r times of cos of, so taking LCM 2 theta 1 minus theta 1, theta 1, so minus theta 2. So finally x cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y times of sine of theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 equals r times of cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. This one is the equation of curve passing through A and B, theta 1 and theta 2. So equation of chord, this one is equation of chord joining theta 1 and theta 2. So point A 8 comma 0, point B 0 comma 8 lies on circle x minus 8 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square equal to 64. And a variable point P moves on the circle, then find the locus of center of ortho center of triangle PAB. So A lies on x-axis, B lies on y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. So this is the point A, 8 comma 0. Point A, 8 comma 0. Point B, 0 comma 8. 0 comma 8. Center of the circle is 8 comma 8. Center of the circle is 8 comma 8. So x coordinate 8, y coordinate 8. Okay, sorry for the bad diagram. So this is the circle. Now variable point P moves on this circle. Point P. So parametric point. What is parametric point? X equals alpha plus r cos theta, y equals beta plus r sin theta. Alpha beta center of the circle. So 8 plus radius is 8, r equal to 8, 8 cos theta. Now y coordinate is beta plus r sin theta, r sin theta. This is a point P. So P moves on the circle, P moves on the circle. Find the locus of ortho center of triangle PS, PAB. So triangle PAB. Locus of ortho center of triangle PAB. Okay. Here P moves on this circle. Suppose this is AB. P. AB. P. AB. Here P moves on this circle but center is fixed. Center of the cycle is fixed in all the cases. In 3 cases, center of the cycle is fixed. So circumcenter is fixed 8, 8. Here 8, 8 is circumcenter. We know that centroid divides orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. Centroid G divides orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. This one centroid. Circumcenter is 8, 8. Orthocenter. Question is find the locus of orthocenter. Let locus of orthocenter be H, K. We can find the centroid. 3 points available. Triangle PAB. So we can find centroid. What is centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So x1 8 plus x2 8 plus 8 cos theta plus x3 0 by 3. Next y1 0 plus y2 8 plus 8 sin theta plus y3 is 8 by 3. This one is a centroid. Centroid G. So finally 8 plus 8 16 plus 8 cos theta by 3. This one is 16 plus 8 sin theta by 3. So say applying section formula. So centroid is 16 plus 8 cos theta by 3. 16 plus 8 sin theta by 3. Section formula. G divides orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1 internally. So here G equals 2 into circumcenter, 2 into circumcenter C plus 1 into orthocenter, 1 into O orthocenter by 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. So this is section formula. So 3 times of G. 3 cross multiplication, 3c equals 2c plus O, orthocenter O. So orthocenter equals 3 times of centroid minus 2 times of circumcenter. I hope you are understanding. So orthocenter is H, K equals 3 into first x coordinate then y coordinate, 3 into centroid, 3 into 3 times of this one, 16 plus 8 cos theta minus 2 times of circumcenter, 2 into 8, 2 8 is 16, comma. Next 3 times y coordinates, 3 times of centroid, 3 times, so 16 plus 8 sin theta minus 2 times of circumcenter, 2 8 is 16. So 16 minus 16, 16 minus 16. Here h equals 8 cos theta. Next k equals 8 sin theta. Theta eliminate. So theta parameter eliminate parameter. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Sin square theta. Now k square by 64 plus cos square theta. H by 8 whole square, h square by 8 square, h square is 64 equal to 1. So finally k square, h square plus k square equals 64. Now replace h comma k by xy. Replace h comma k by xy. Question is the locus of orthocenter. So now x square plus y square equals 64. So this is the answer. I hope you are understanding. Required locus x square plus y square equals 64. Let 3 points A, B, C are given, then find orthocenter of triangle ABC. So A point and this point here, x equals 4 cos theta 1, y equals 4 sin theta 1. Cos square theta 1 plus sin square theta 1 equals 1. Cos square theta 1 plus sin square theta 1 equals 1. So x square by 4 square 16 plus y square by 4 square 16 equals 1. Now x square plus y square equals 16. So 4 square. So center 0 comma 0, radius is 4. Radius is 4. Center is 0 0. Origin is center. Radius is 4. 3 points. So radius 4. So 3 points A, B, C. Point A, 4 cos theta 1, 4 sin theta 1, 4 cos theta 2, 4 sin theta 2. Point C, 4 cos theta 3, 4 sin theta 3. Same. Yeah, question is orthocenter. Previous problem orthocenter O అని రిప్రజెంట్ చేశానండి. orthocenter అంటే జనరల్ గా పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఆల్టిట్యూడ్స్ హైట్స్ కదా, హెచ్ అని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తే ఈజీగా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకుండా ఉంటారు. సర్కమ్ సెంటర్ 3 అండ్ సి అని తీసుకోండి, orthocenter హెచ్ అనుకోండి. ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం orthocenter O అని రాసిస్తాను, ఎందుకంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం O కదా, నేను వాళ్ళ ఫార్ములా ఫాలో అయ్యాను, చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. సో centroid divides centroid divides orthocenter circumcenter CC. Circumcenter is CC. So divides 2:1 internally. So first one name calculate cheyali. Circumcenter is 0 comma 0. So one centroid calculate cheyali. Centroid G equals, so x1 plus x2 plus x3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, 4 bring outside 4, summation cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3, sigma cos theta 1. Next by 3. Next y coordinate 4 plus 4 plus 4 bring outside, summation sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3, sigma sin theta 1 by 3. This is the centroid. So centroid G divides orthocenter and circumcenter internally in the ratio 2:1. So internal ratio 2 into circumcenter C plus 1 into orthocenter H by 2 plus 1, 3. So 3Z equals 2C plus H. Orthocenter H equals 3Z minus 2Z. Orthocenter H comma K, locus of orthocenter. Question is this: find orthocenter of triangle. So H comma K. 3Z, 3 times of x coordinate. So 4 times of sigma cos theta 1 minus C, circumcenter 0 minus 0. Next y coordinate of orthocenter. So K equals 4 times, so 3 times of this one, 3 cancelled, 4 times of sigma sin theta 1 minus 2 times of circumcenter, 2 into 0, 0. So finally answer is 4 times of sigma cos theta 1, 4 times of sigma sin theta 1. This is the answer of the center H. Previous problem locus of orthocenter triangle PAB. Previous problem locus of orthocenter అడిగాడు, limit of parameter. మనకి అడిగింది just find the orthocenter of triangle ABC. Orthocenter of triangle ABC is what is the which point? 4 times of summation cos theta 1, 4 times of summation sin theta 1. Okay, locus అడిగితే మనం parameter ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి. This one is only find the ortho center.